What's going on, guys? In this tutorial I want to have a quick look of what web apps are. Okay, so basically web apps are kind of computer programs that are hosted on servers, and we can interact with them or reach out to them via a network. You don't need to download them onto your device before you can access the component or the element on that particular application. So let me show you an example. Let me pull up Chrome over here and then show you rosscomputing.com like this. Okay, now when you look at something like this, this is what we are referring to as a web app. Now all of how should I explain it, these files, these are a bunch of files that are being served. All of these files are hosted on a server, so in order to access the elements of this particular application, you have to connect it via a network. So you kind of need more like a connection in order to get it. So you can actually go through to see what's going on in here. You can also check about this particular thing over here, and you can see that whatever thing you want to do, immediately you click on it, you can have access to whatever thing is over here. Looks something like this. But given the other aspect, you can see that there are some kind of applications that you will need to download onto your machine in order to have access to them. So let me show you something like this one right here, which is Microsoft Power BI. No, this is not a web app. We can refer to this as a web app. This is an application you need to download in order to access, that is Power BI desktop. Okay, so that is a quick difference between web applications and then the opposite. Okay, so let me take this one out. We're not really interested in that. Now one other thing is, when it comes to web applications, we can view something we call source code. Now everything you see over here are kind of codes, computer codes that are rendered to us to view. So let me just right click here and then inspect something like this, and you can see that whatever thing is going on here are kind of this bunch of characters you see over here. Okay, so these are the things you see over here. So this is how web apps look like. You can actually view the source code within the browsers or something, but for that of the opposite, you can do something like that. So in this tutorial I want to look at how to build web apps, push them to the servers so that anybody at all can access it via a network. Okay, so we are going to start with basic HTML, and I will move on to the advanced section where we can even look at hosting your own web application. Thank you.